In this video, we will use PowerPoint to create a custom slide design. So, watch the video till the end. Let's start over the video. Go to Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select this shape, drag it like this. Select both, go to Merge Shape, select Fragment, delete unwanted parts, go back to Insert, click on Shape, select this shape, drag the yellow dot to the left side. Rotate slightly. Duplicate shape 10 to 12 times using Ctrl D and set them like this. Select all, go to Merge Shape, select Subtract. Go back to Insert, click on Picture, select and insert it. Click on right button, Send to back. Select both. Go to Format, go to Merge Shape, select Intersect. Click on right button, go to Format Picture, go to Shadow, select this shadow from Preset. Also select background color. Whatever PPT you are creating, highlight information here. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Rounded Rectangle. Drag the yellow dot to the right, go to Shape Fill, select color using eyedropper. Shape outline, make it no outline. Click on right button, select edit text. Write let's go here. Select and increase size. Select these three. Go to format, align left from align. Select this. Go to animation tab, apply fly-in animation. Go to effect option, select from right and increase duration size. Select this, apply wipe animation. Go to effect option, select direction and select start after previous. Also increase duration size. Select text box, apply float in animation. Select start after previous. Also increase duration size. Select this, apply split animation. Select start after previous, also increase duration size. Now click on slideshow. You have learned how to create a customized stunning presentation in PowerPoint. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next video. Thank you.